Hello everyone, welcome to iApple Pro YouTube. Today in this video, I will share you how to custom wallpaper like this. You can custom any wallpaper on your device. Without Jailbreak, work on any iPhone. Let's bring it into your device. Prepare to set up. Choose wallpaper. You want custom example, choose this. In home screen, disable blur effect. Link in video description. Install Siri Shortcuts blank icon maker on your iPhone. Press and hold, swipe to left. Take screenshot, this screen. Open Siri and choose blank icon maker shortcut. Choose for a few. Choose screenshot, just created. Choose iPhone you use. Example, I use iPhone X's. Check the locations you want transparent wallpapers. Example, with this wallpaper, I will check like this. Select No. Install on home screen. Enter any text, example test. Shortcut will auto-open Safari and loading. Allow to install profile on your iPhone. Close and exit to home screen, iPhone. Open Settings app and install profile. Enter password iPhone to install. Now, transparent icons appeared on home screen. Move down original icons. Now, the wallpaper like this on your iPhone. With this solution, you can custom any wallpaper you want. To remove transparent icons, go to Settings app and remove Profile install. Home screen back to normal. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.